And welcome back. Let's dive right in, shall we? Jamaica's team to the 28th Goodwill Swim Championships in St. Lucia and the PANAM Aquatics Age Group Swimming Championships in Puerto Rico were unveiled recently. Both squads are depleted, however. There are expectations that they'll do well. Denise Walters reports.
A 35-member team is in St. Lucia for the Goodwill Swimming Championship, which gets underway on Friday.
Last year we hosted the Goodwill Games right here in Jamaica, and so we had a full team of 40. This year we are traveling to St. Lucia, and so that accounts for the slightly reduced numbers because it makes the trip very expensive and a little longer.
Team captains are Brandon Wong and Renee Chong.
I feel excited leading this team because this is my first time being a captain for a national team. So I am very excited about leading my fellow swimmers into victory.
I'm really excited and I'm honored to have the opportunity to be the captain for this team. I think that we'll do really well and I'm really excited to go.
Only 7 swimmers will compete at the PANAM Aquatics Age Group Swimming Championships that will run from August 22 to 25. 4 will be in the 12 to 14 age group for boys and girls respectively.
I've been to 3 Cariftas and 1 CC Can, so I'm pretty experienced, but yes, this is my first time going to PANAM. 100 free or 100 fly. I want to go 101 and 100 fly and like 57 and 100 free. So those are my goals.
This is my first time. I'm very excited for it and I'm just going to go out there and just do my best. The events that I'll be doing are the 50 free, the 50 fly, the 100 free, 100 fly, 200 freestyle, 200 butterfly, and the 400 meter freestyle and the 800 meter freestyle.
I'll be doing 8 individual events and like 4 relays. Well, I'll try my hardest and push to my max.
I'm very excited to experience another swim meet which I haven't went to. I'm excited to see how fast I could go and how much time I drop from all those hard times training.
Linville Lowe is the coach for the PANAM team.
From a couple of weeks ago, around 3 or 4 weeks ago, I've been coaching them, and when I look at them in the water, I realize that they are really looking pretty good. So when we get down there, we expect to stamp our feet and perform. They expect to perform very well.
Meanwhile, despite the continued financial challenges, the president of the Aquatic Sports Association of Jamaica, ASAJ, Lance Rochester, says there was never a doubt in Jamaica sending teams to both championships.
Yeah, representation at regional events is absolutely critical. As stepping stones to the bigger events, like let us say the World Championships and the Olympic Games, it's absolutely important to ensure that our athletes have that experience to be a part of a national team, to compete against the best in the region. So we're happy about 2 teams going off around the same time, the Goodwill Games and the PANAM Aquatics Age Group Championships. Different levels, but catering to the needs of our...
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.